Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an art and craft activity that you had at school. You should say what you made, how you made it, what it looked like, and how you felt about the activity.
Sure, I can describe an art and craft activity that I did in school. We made paper flowers using tissue paper and pipe cleaners. To make the flowers, we first stacked several layers of tissue paper on top of each other and folded them up accordion style. Then we tied a pipe cleaner tightly around the middle of the folded paper to create the stem and secure the layers of tissue paper together. Finally, we carefully unfolded the layers of tissue paper and fluffed them up to create the flower petals. The flowers looked really pretty and colorful, and each one was unique depending on how the layers of tissue paper were arranged. Some students made big flowers with lots of layers, while others made smaller flowers with just a few layers. I really enjoyed this activity because it was a fun and creative way to learn about different materials and techniques. It was also really satisfying to see the finished product and be able to take something home that we had made ourselves. Plus, the flowers were a great way to brighten up our classrooms and make them look more cheerful and welcoming. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.